Hello, crypto traders. Sputnik here, giving you daily Bitcoin TA. Thanks for stopping through to the channel. I appreciate it. If you like the content, I'd appreciate if you could like and or subscribe. If not, just enjoy the content. And if anyone has any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll get back to you. All right, so getting into Bitcoin. So just on the weekly, you can see we've started a bit in the red. So not the best start to the week, but not too surprising, to be honest. You can see we've put in the lower low here. We had 2 green days, and then we're just sort of slowly bleeding back again. So I wanted to go over the trade ideas that I gave yesterday, um, because if you took those trades, there was potential to take some profits and just take some money from the market maker. So, bit of context. Okay, so we had this rising wedge, um, which I did short from up here. So I am still short and long from the bottom, but I didn't manage to take any trades here. I wasn't in front of the computer at the time, even though I got my notifications. But that's okay. You don't have to be in a trade, or you don't have to take every trade that happens on the chart. But we were continuing. It looked like that this rising wedge hadn't played out, and that we were sort of turning into this symmetrical triangle pattern that a lot of people on YouTube were eyeing off, and I believe that a lot of them would have been looking at longing this candle right here. Um, you can see that this did not break out, so there just was not enough buy volume there, so we just capitulated down to a level of support. So I might just bring up the zones that I was looking at longing that I mentioned in yesterday's video. So as you can see, it's clear that these two zones have provided some level of support. And if you try to trade these, getting into the lower time frames, you would have been able to get an entry on the first one for sure. This second one is a bit trickier, but definitely on the first. And it's just typical market maker behavior. You can see here we are diverging here on the 1 minute. So if you had an alert set here, you've seen this divergence, and you would have got to move up from there. So from that low, we'll go to roughly here. So from that low here, that's a 1.5% move. So if you've got some leverage on that, you could have just quickly taken profits for that. It has come down. It did come down again. So most likely stopping out a lot of people that went long here. And it didn't quite touch the golden pocket. The golden pocket is here. So that golden pocket is from the low of the range. The low of the range of this low that we put in to the high. So from here to here. So I have a feeling that this is going to get touched again. I don't think this is going to provide as strong support, although I could be wrong. But I would still be entertaining this as a long area. But I am long from the low, so I only want to be adding to my long if I see some strength in this. And this is not the strongest move, in my opinion. So moving forward, what other trade setups have I got? Well, on the long side of things, I'd like to see lower prices. So I'm eyeing off, let me just get rid of those triangles and wedges. I'm eyeing off the liquidity here on this wick here. So I believe this also lines up with, I haven't got it there. It could be a value area low of this range. Let me just check that. Here, so we've got this lower range here. No, we're at the value area low now. So it's just the liquidity, it's just the liquidity from that low there. So these aren't as strong levels. So I'd be looking to catch this here potentially. Um, After that, I'd be looking lower again. So below these lows here. So here, getting into a trade like this, you'd want to see a reaction and then ideally some sort of divergence forming on your MACD and RSI here. You can go to the higher the time frame, the better, but you know it starts at the lower time frame, so the divergence will start at the 1 minute and build up. But I'm patiently now waiting for a new long. So as for shorts, I am eyeing off taking a short from roughly this area here. So just where we started to break down. So there is liquidity there. And this would also be, we'll throw some volume on there. We'll see what the volume gives us. So the volume of this lower range, so yeah, so we're at the point of control as well. So this is a nice level that we should be looking at shorting. And then I would also have those same levels that I was showing yesterday. So if I'm going just for my short trades that I've got on the books, yeah, so we've got this that I've marked out earlier. And I'd be looking to enter if we break above here. I'd have my stop loss around here. So a short trade. We just go short, we enter here. We'll put our stop loss just above those highs there. And then I would be targeting probably the value area low here is my take profit area. So if you come here, just pull the volume again. Yeah. So that is a nice trade as well. 3.8 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So that they're the kind of setups that you want. I like to be patient, plan my trades ahead, and let the market come to me. Because if you're trying to chase price, it's the easiest way to get wrecked. Going for the long trade, it would be something similar as well. But if we're trying to enter here, you'd be trying to go long, roughly around here. And the target here, I'd be going for the value area low, but I'd probably even be taking profit before then, probably at this golden pocket for my first take profit. My stop loss would be below the lows, so around this zone here. So it's getting quite big, 1.25%. That'll be my first take profit area. Second would be here. See, again, you've got a risk to reward ratio of 3, and then you'd go the point of control as your third. And it just, yeah. But they're the trades I've got planned for this week. I didn't take any yesterday. Like I said, I am long from the lows. I'm short from the highs. That there is my short trade, 16728.5, where I entered. So that will bring that here, 16, roughly around here. 1628.5. So that's where I actually went short. So it's in some nice profits. I took profits here. Didn't quite hit my take profit there, but if we come lower, yeah, my limit order will get filled, and then yeah, and we just keep trading the range. All right, thanks everybody for watching. If you did enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. And any comments and questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you 100%. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.